Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting and selecting the shape you want to alter. This is where precision matters. Once selected, open the Format tab so you can reach fill and shape options quickly. Make a duplicate as a safety copy, because transparency changes are non-destructive only if you keep an original. Next, click Shape Fill to see solid, gradient, picture, and more. This first step sets the mode you'll adjust, and it determines whether transparency applies uniformly or per fill stop. Now you adjust how transparent the shape becomes, and you'll learn why each option matters. If you choose solid fill, move the transparency slider or type a percentage to get an exact opacity. Lower numbers keep more color, higher numbers reveal background. For gradient fill, set stops and assign transparency values to each stop so you create smooth fades. This works great for overlays. Make sure to preview on the actual slide, since lighting and background images affect perceived transparency. To finish, confirm the outline and stacking order so the transparent shape behaves as intended. Remove or soften the outline if it distracts. Group the shape with linked elements when using it as an overlay, and use Arrange bring forward/send backward to position it. If anything looks off, banding, unexpected color shifts, or no transparency, reset the shape or reapply the fill and restore from your backup duplicate. This fixes corrupted styles and ensures consistent appearance across displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.